Yo, what's up guys? It's BLV here. Today I'm gonna try my best to explain how to kickflip. So let's get started.
So yeah, first thing I would say to go check my video guys, how to ollie. This is like the first basic you need to know, so I'm gonna put the link here. So for how to kickflip guys, first thing I would say, the positioning is really important, like every basic trick, you know. So you need to have the back foot at the center of the tail like the ollie, the front foot just below the bolts. The positioning is almost the same, but you need to be ready to flip with the toes the fastest possible, and make sure you flip with the toes. This is really important. This trick should be called toe flip, not kick flip. Like heel flip, you flip with the heel, you know. So if you struggle with the flick, you should try to flick and land one foot beside the board, because if you don't and you try to commit like that while you do a bad flick, you're just gonna primo and fall. So you need to do a fast, clean flick before put it both feet on, like this. So yeah, the catch is very important guys. All spins like pop shavits are front foot catch, as you can see here. I'm gonna put another example less exaggerated here. You can see the front foot catch, but here's the thing. So kick flips are back foot catch. Let's see another example here. You need to catch it while you flick, so you need to flick very fast. Though this is the best tip I can give you guys. And if your shoes aren't used like that means you don't flick the way you should.
So I hope the tips help you out, boys. I actually find it harder to do it on flat without moving. Like, I'm so used to get speed and like being comfortable with speed. Like, harder for me to do it stationary. So peace out boys, until the next sesh.
And if your shoes aren't used like that means you don't flick the way you should. This is how you flick well, guys.